Yeah. So do you want to go into a little bit of Title 4D as well, or not?
Okay, so Title 4D, sure. Oh my gosh.
This is where it gets really fun?
Well, this is just another 3-hour conversation probably.
Yeah. Well, you know what happened?
No, but let me
Yeah,
tell you. So
sure.
Title 4D, first of all, I'll tell you that when I became a family law attorney, and
Right.
I'm a very logical person, and again, I come from private industry, and I said, my very first questions were, who thought of those numbers, right? Who created those magic numbers in the sky?
Right.
As to, back then it was 21%, 32%, and all this like exorbitant percentage of your income. And I being the inquisitive person I am, went back and I studied, and it was like some University of Illinois study from the early 60s about what portion of household income was spent for children, right? And I'm thinking, first of all, that's pretty psycho, because, 10 years can make a huge difference in spending, 10 or 15 years. But there are so many things that are, if I had unlimited resources and I could sue a lot of people and not have to worry about making a living,
Yeah.
Title 4D would be a big one to attack.
Mm-hmm.
You've got the phantom incomes, where they impute income. You've got an artificial amount of money that's going to support children, and there's no accountability for it, and then people are incarcerated for the payment of failure to pay a debt.
Right.
That is so unconstitutional.
Yeah.
And it's
So we have debtors' prisons, is what you're saying.
we definitely have debtors prison. And and I raised my children as a single mom. I supported them all my life. I know not everybody can do it.
Right.
But it needs to be more of a realistic, rational basis.
Right.
That really sits down and talks about what are the true expenses that you have, and how should those expenses be allocated, instead of just this artificial number based on some chart someplace.
Yeah, I got you. And I was looking up in the Texas Family Code, I believe it's in section 201, 10 something, but anyway, they talk about that the judges are supposed to act in a manner that maximizes Title 4D funding.
Yeah.
Now, so basically what I guess that my understanding of that would be is that somehow there is the best interest of the child and the maximization of Title 4D funding somehow magically meld together. Are they one and the same?
Well,
Are you following what I'm saying?
yeah, I do. And I have a lot of problems with Title 4 because they get bonus money too. They get bonus, and I haven't studied it as well, and so I'm a little bit hesitant to speak of it, but they get bonus money based upon a couple different things, and one of them is, I think they get it on the amount of collections, but they also get it, I think, on the amount of obligations. So they can creating these phantom incomes and these phantom obligations, but it benefits them, benefits the agency, and gets that federal money. So
it's not just that, but I mean, what it really does, it helps to incentivize the not just the family divorce, the family destruction industry, but the people that, you know what, I can have my cake, I can get more cake coming in, I can eat it. You're still paying. I've cast you to the side, but you know what? I get the kids, I get the money, I get the house, I get everything, and and then we have the judges that say this is in the best interest of the children. And in so many instances, what it does, it causes the detachment of a child to one of the parents.
well, and under Title 4D, when a child is removed from a parent, they have to, under Title 4D, they have to assess child support against the parent within 10 days is what they're supposed to do.
Yeah.
And while people are fighting to get their kids back from the state, they're paying child support to the state. So wrong. It's so wrong.
So Texas has led the nation for the last 11 years in child support collection. It's a bragging point. They have efficiency ratios that go up every year. I think last year they collected $4.378 billion. Wow. And the funny thing was, Connie,
and somebody's making, they put that now on a debit card, and that money's sitting someplace. Billions of dollars is sitting someplace all the time. I'm like, who's profiting off of? Because now they don't send checks anymore. they put it on a debit card, right?
Yeah.
So all the time, there's always a couple $1 billion sitting out there in some bank account somewhere, and who's profiting off of that?
Right. Yeah. I got you. The I forgot what I was going to mention about that as well, but yeah, I completely get you on that.